Hey guys, this is Twiggy. It's the season of gifting. So today I'm going to show you how you can use 1064 nanometers infrared laser to customize jewelry for your friends and family. So before we start, here's what we need to prepare. We need laptop, safety goggle, RA2 Pro, accessories, 1064 nanometers laser module, cleaning tools, and D1 Pro. Because we're going to use infrared laser head to customize the jewelry, we need to switch the laser head on D1 Pro. So first of all, you want to loosen the toggle tag right here, okay, and pull it up, and there we go. This is where you will connect the cable, so you want to take the cable off, okay? So put these things out and take it off. Now let's switch to the 1064 nanometers laser module. Now you need to tighten up the toggle tag. So right now we're going to place this necklace onto our D1 Pro. Now let's set the focus. Put down the setting bar. Move this to your material. Okay, loosen the toggle tag. Move the machine up and down. Make sure the tip of the setting bar is touching the highest surface of your material. Well, I think that looks good. Tighten up the toggle tag. Put back the setting bar. And make sure that your laser lines start at the top left of your material. And now, let's go around the framing. It will be easier for you to have a flat surface to work on your necklace. That's why we'll put a plywood underneath it. Now we have our hardware ready. Let's go to our software. Okay, so let's open xTool Creative Space. Now let's input a text right here. So let's write, "My dear friend." Let's give this gift to our talented videographer team. There we go. And now let's set the right parameters. Okay, select this. Make sure you lock the size here, okay? All right, now let's input 6 millimeters. There we go. Now let's go through this step by step. First, you want to make sure that your D1 Pro is connected with your laptop through USB. And then you want to choose laser flat. And here, when it comes to material, you want to choose stainless steel material, and it will have the automatically parameters here. Now let's choose Engrave, and go ahead and select this, and go ahead and process this. And then first, let's run the framing. Press the framing button on your laptop. And go ahead and press the button on D1 Pro. There we go. I think the framing area looks good. Now let's get framing complete and go ahead and press start on your laptop and press start on the D1 Pro machine. Now I have my cool goggles on. Let's talk about this 1064 nanometers infrared laser. A 1064 nanometers laser is a low-cost, high-power laser with many capabilities. This laser is quite powerful and can easily engrave those materials that can be engraved by a blue laser, such as gold, silver, platinum, or any other hard material, and plastic. The laser spot of xTool infrared laser module is 0.03 times 0.03 millimeters, which offers exceptional engraving results. It is ideal for small objects such as ring, bracelet, and even smaller than that. It can engrave the material at a high speed and offer perfect results. All right, now let's take this necklace out. So we need to use some alcohol to wipe it off. And there you have it. So our first project is complete. Isn't that pretty? I think my friend will like this very much. So now let's get into our second project, which is engrave on this bracelet. Let's insert a circle right here, and that's good. Okay, make sure you lock the parameters and input 12 millimeters. Good, and there we go. Now let's enlarge that. And let's insert a text right here. And this gift is also for teen. But first, you want to make sure that you change parameters right here. And let's change into 8. So make sure that this circle is big enough for the text that we just insert. Let's make it into 7, so it's right in the center. Make sure you select this text theme. Make sure you choose engraving. Okay, so first of all, make sure that your D1 Pro is connected with the laptop. Okay, and then you're gonna choose laser flat. Choose the U material into stainless steel. Make sure you're using engraving. I think everything is good. So first, let's put on our goggles. And let's go to process. First, you want to make sure you run the framing. Okay, good. And hit framing on. Framing complete. And you can actually start the project. Hit start on your laptop. And let's go ahead and hit start on your D1 Pro. Now let's take it out. There we go. The same thing, you have to use the alcohol to clean it. And there we have it, another bracelet with team's names on it. Now we have our second project bracelet ready. We're gonna make the rings now. Now let's put this ring onto our RA2 Pro. As you can see right here, okay, you can easily tighten things up and loosen things up. So let's put the rings onto the 3 pillars right here. And there we go. And make sure that you tighten things up, and there we go. It's a steady surface for you to work on your ring. Okay, now let's place the RA2 Pro onto our D1 Pro. Before you do that, make sure you take off the honeycomb and rise the D1 Pro. Now let's take this cable off. Use the RA2 Pro cable to connect the D1 Pro, and the other side to connect the RA2 Pro. Now let's set the focus. Put down the setting bar, move this, loosen the tackle tag, move this machine up and down. Make sure the tip of the setting bar is touching the highest surface of your ring. I think that looks good. Now let's go back and put back the setting bar. Move the laser light to the edges of your rings right here. I think that looks good. Now let's go to round the framing. Let's choose laser cylindrical. And make sure you choose the charc mode. Let's input 24. And now let's insert a text here. Let's do team one more time. Let's lock this and input 5mm. Let's enlarge this and let's rotate 90 degrees. There we go. Select this, make sure you choose Engrave and choose stainless steel material. It will have the parameters already in here. Now let's go to process. Now first let's run the framing. Make sure you wear your goggles. Now let's press start on the D1 Pro. Now let's hit framing complete. Let's go ahead and press start on the laptop and go ahead and press the button on D1 Pro. Okay, now let's take it out. There we go. Now same thing, use the alcohol to clean the surface. I think that looks good. Okay, now we have the whole set of the customized jewelry for your family and friends, and let's place them into this gift box. And there you have it, and that's all for today's how-to video. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao!